Okay, hold on.
You need this?
Never thought about what we're going to do. We caught him. Okay, I'm coming to you, Dad. Hold on. We never thought about this bit.
You're right, take your time.
Do you usually... I'll just get this green thing ready.
I'm not going to be able to lift it by myself.
No, I'm going to come in. If you push the boat.
You ready?
Oh, wait a minute. Counterbalanced.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay. Can you spread that? Everything's been tossed. Can you?
I'll do it.
Yeah. So put the jacket down first, and then the blanket.